Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clean your Bambu Lab's nozzle for any Bambu Lab printer. Let's get right into it. Guys, the first step of cleaning your nozzle is taking off the front casing. I'm going to do that right now to show you. All I do is usually pull it right here and it comes off. Now, the second step is taking off this silicone protector. You just pull that off. Alright, so the third step is heating your nozzle. So how you're going to do that is go over to this control panel right here. Press it, then you'll see something called Nozzle. Click on that. Then what temperature do you want to set it to is 300 degrees Celsius. Then press OK. And now, just wait for the temperature to rise to 300, and then come back and check on it. Okay guys, so right now it's about 280 degrees. So the next step you're going to need to do, while it keeps heating up, is take the current filament out of the nozzle. How you're going to do that is press this up button right here many times, and then pull the filament out from up here. So now, your filament should be out. And now, you're ready for the next step when it reaches 300 degrees Celsius. Okay, so for the next step, you're going to need an oven mitt and something long like a screw that won't burn. Then, you're just going to need to untighten that right there. Like that. And then take the screw and do the other side. And then you just need to pull the nozzle from the bottom, then it'll fall right out. So now, you're ready to unclog your nozzle. So for the next step, you're going to keep the oven mitt on and pick up the nozzle, and since it's still super hot, it'll be easy to get all the jammed filament that is in the nozzle head out. So you're going to need your screw and just poke it. So I'm going to be doing that right now. Okay guys, so my nozzle is now unclogged and now ready to put it all back together. Oh, and by the way, there is any filament inside of here. You're just going to take some pliers and pull it out. It's not a big deal if there is. Just happened to be mine didn't have any. It all melted out. Alright, so now we're going to put it back in. So when you put back in the nozzle, you're going to need to let it cool down first. So I'm going to let it cool down and come back. Okay guys, it's for the next step. We're just putting everything back together, just how we took it apart. Put the magnet in the back so it securely is on. Secure it. And then put the silicone back on. And then the cover. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next.